Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, this is Ethio Computer School. I make videos about technology. If you enjoy the video, make sure you like it and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with new content. Here are best AI tools. First, Lexica AI. Lexica Aperture Model that can create realistic photos. Lexica AI generates text into image. Second, Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai enables you to create and edit professional quality videos using text, automatically create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long-form content. Pictory uses AI to help you create videos for your YouTube channel quickly, easily, and cost-effectively. Third, Supermeme.ai. Supermeme.ai is an AI meme generator that allows users to generate memes by simply typing in text. The AI system selects or creates an image template that matches the given text. It combines the text with the image in a visually appealing way to generate the final meme. Generate AI memes for popular topics like startup, crypto by choosing a meme template or uploading your own image. Fourth, Magic Studio. Magic Studio erase unwanted things in seconds. Magic Studio is easy to use. Fifth, Tome. Tome AI website is a storytelling partner. Use video narration, live data, and endlessly flexible pages to build polished presentations in minutes. The platform is highly customizable, allowing users to add tables, animations, images, and other features to their presentations. Thanks for watching.